Nithyananda. In this short video I just wanted to show you a natural way of making a toothbrush. In this case it's from a neem tree, with a lot of respect, asking the permission for the tree to give us these nice leaves for our neem juice in the morning. We'll boil these. This is actually going to be for a lot of people. Over 50 people probably will have neem juice from this. And with this stick, basically, little branch about the size of your small finger. You could do with smaller size, but actually in the Agamas, that is the recommended size. When Sadashiva tells us how to do a toothbrush based on these branches. There are many different trees. If you have watched satsang about a year ago, there was a short video made on exactly how to design your toothbrush, and the exact size is given. Now there are different kinds of trees, but this neem is not for sannyasis. Sannyasis have different kinds of trees like mango, and there are a number of trees that are mentioned in Agamas. In this case I'll tell you neem tree, and because I've had the experience, that's why I like to share it. The sensation which you have, and I'll show you how to make your toothbrush out of this, but the sensation which I have is whenever you go to the dentist and you had your teeth polished, that sensation when you put your tongue on your teeth and it's like super smooth, that's exactly the same sensation you have after using this. So that's why I feel so eager on sharing how to do this. So what you do initially is kind of just chew, and you rotate it a little bit so that the bark will start to come off, right? If it's bigger, you'll have to be a bit more patient. So now there's a lot of, see, every part of the neem tree is useful. The bark, the stem, the roots, the fruits, the leaves, everything is used and has so many different properties. So this will start to cleanse. It's an antiseptic, will pretty much eliminate bacteria in your mouth. That's how you have this like extremely fresh sensation in the mouth. And it also does so much good for your whole digestive system. Now, I keep biting away. You have to turn it. Nice and bitter. I'll chew a little bit harder on this because it's a bit bigger. Of course you can spit it. There'll be small pieces, that's not a problem. Okay? Now, starting to become like a brush. Okay, once you got it kind of nice and smooth, not hard, it should be kind of open. Okay, the more you keep chewing on it, it'll start to open up like a little brush. So when it's actually soft, just spit the little pieces. It's going to be nice and soft for the teeth. Okay, it shouldn't be hard. So if it's still hard, that's not actually right at the point. You need to keep chewing it. Whatever juices is coming from the branch, you can swallow it. And the little pieces, you can just spit out. Just gotta be patient. This takes a bit more time since it's a slightly bigger one. Okay. Great. Now I probably, because it's bigger, I have to chew a little bit more. But now it's kind of soft. You can nicely rub the teeth. Be careful with your gums, so you don't. It should be very soft. Okay. It should be like a little brush. It shouldn't be hard. And you nicely brush your teeth. Okay? You go all around. You can go from the inside. Of course, whenever you need to, just bite off or spit off the little pieces. Then you'll feel it in your mouth. The whole mouth becomes so fresh. The teeth is like absolutely like polished. So this is the toothbrush. Next day you can rinse it off. You can just bite off the end that became a brush. So next day you repeat the same. It'll be about the width of your teeth, or like your middle finger, the amount that you'll actually take off. So first strip off the bark with your teeth. Make sure you rotate, keep chewing until it becomes like a brush. Nicely brush your teeth. You can do it for some time, and when you're done, either on the spot you can bite off the part that you actually made a brush, or next day it'll just dry off. So next time you use it, next day or next time you use it, just bite off the brush part and make another one. So that's gonna last for maybe at least a week or 10 days. So that's your natural neem tree toothbrush.